What's up everyone, this is Shul aka AltCryptoGems, and today I've got an exciting video for you guys where I'm analyzing all the charts, talking about the current market, and obviously we're going to talk about USDC. So before we start, be sure to follow me on Twitter, that's at AltCryptoGems, for daily crypto content, giveaways and much more. And be sure to leave a like on this video. Now in the last video we hit 15 likes. Can we actually get more than 15 or 20 likes on this video? Let's get started. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we actually see a symmetrical triangle forming over here where we broke out of yesterday after the bad news on USDC where we dropped down over here and we actually broke out of it. We now see an upwards momentum happening. And the question is, can we actually continue with this upwards momentum, especially now the market is so shaky? Looking at another time frame, or basically the same time frame, but another chart, this below is the RSI. And what you can actually see, and we talked about it in the previous video as well, is that we're forming a higher low. So what this means is there's an upwards momentum in the RSI movement. Usually that's a bullish sign. However, looking at the chart right now, we do see a downwards momentum happening. So the question really is, will we actually break out of this downwards momentum and go back up to the upside? And if we do, then I see us going on a bullish momentum. So this part is crucial to watch. Right now we're talking about 22.5 is what we actually hit already, but the resistance dropped us back down. And as you can see, if we zoom in closer, we're now dropping down quite a bit already and trying to bounce back up. And the question is, will we hit this line again and either break out or continue back down? Now, looking at the 1 day time frame, we actually talked about an ascending broadening wedge on the previous video, where I've shown an example happening over here, where the question was, will we actually hit the same price objective again? And like we said in the video, we hit that exactly. We talked about these lines and the price objective, which happened over here, and we actually fell down and dropped pretty much exactly onto the price objective. And we have actually now started to bounce up from this objective and back onto the wedge pattern again. And the question is, just like we said on the other time frame, will we actually break through and continue on an upwards momentum? So obviously something we need to talk about, why did we drop down and what's happening, is the USDC story. As you can see over here, USDC was a stable coin, which usually means it's pegged at $1 and is pretty much just to make crypto trading easier. Let's say you buy a Bitcoin or you sell a Bitcoin, your money needs to be stored somewhere. And that's what USDC or USDT is all about. Now, as you can see, the chart, it was perfectly at $1, but then the news came out that USDC or Circle has some money in the SVB bank, which went bankrupt. And so the entire coin dropped. It actually went down to 0.882 on Binance. However, as you can see, we're now starting to go back up and we're sitting at the 0.986 mark. So it's not yet repacked. It's not at $1 yet, but it's getting very close again. So it seems like the most difficult time is now past us. Now, obviously this happening, seeing USDC as a top 5, top 6 market cap coin made the market shake. And that's actually one of the reasons why we dropped down this fast. So that's some information to have in your mind and to think about whenever you're trading crypto right now. So another chart that's interesting to watch is the EMA chart. And the EMA basically means the moving average. So are we trading above the moving average? That usually means we're in a bullish momentum. And are we trading below the EMA? That usually means we're in a bearish momentum. Now, looking at the past video or the last video we made, we were trading below the EMA. And now with this small pump, we're actually right at the EMA. So the question is, if we continue with our bounce, then we're actually going to trade above the EMA again, making it a bullish momentum. But if we drop down, now we're still going to be below the EMA, making it a bearish momentum. So what are my target points and what's my stop loss right now to hit? When am I opening longs or short? I actually drew it out on this chart. And as you can see, we hit a few resistances before. We dropped down, like we said over here on the support line, but we actually fell through the support. And we bounced perfectly on the support that we drew in the last video at 19.7K. So I actually opened a long at 19.8 and closed it at the first resistance at 21.4, but we broke through. Now, we're currently trading below the 23K and above the 21K. So my thought is either we bounce up and we go towards this resistance. And from that moment on, it's watching whether we go up or we go down. Or if we do fail, then it's good to watch the 21.4, 21.5K mark to see whether we're getting a bounce or actually falling down. So my targets to watch are either the 21.4K to open a long because it's going to be bouncing, or to go at 23.2K to open a short because it's hitting a resistance. Those are my current targets that I'm watching and whether I'm opening a long or a short. Now, If we do break through the 23K, then the next one would be the 25.2K mark. And if we pump through that, then 28K, 28.6 will be my target. But if we fail to go up and we actually go down, then it's crucial we hold the 19.7K again. But it's all depending on the market right now. Like I said, the market is shaky, USDC stories are happening. So my advice would be very careful with trading right now. If you do want to start trading or want to have the best fees, then my advice would be to go to Bybit. The link is in the description. If you sign up using the link, you get the best possible deposit bonuses of up to 30K right now with the best discounts on fees. Trading longs, shorts, it's very easy on Bybit. So that would be my advice to start trading. Now, thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, follow me on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content. Leave a like on this video. See you guys at the next one. Thanks for watching.